Welcome to the future of immersive experiences. Today, we'll show you how to bring your virtual tours to life by adding a personal touch by integrating a virtual host. Start by selecting your media. Whether it's a standard video or an AI-generated spokesperson, simply drag and drop your file into the 3D environment. In this example, we're using a high-quality virtual host. Once uploaded, you'll see the Polygon Settings panel appear on the right, giving you full control over the media's behavior. Autoplay and loop. The user toggles chroma key and adjusts the color picker. To blend the host seamlessly into the office, enable the chroma key feature. Use the color picker to select the green background and watch it vanish instantly. Fine-tune the transparency using the similarity and smoothness sliders. This ensures clean edges and a professional integrated look, even in complex lighting. Now, simply scale and position your host. You can place them behind a desk or right in the center of the room to greet your visitors. With autoplay and looping enabled, your virtual assistant is ready to provide information and engage users 24/7. Transform your static spaces into interactive stories. Start building your AI-enhanced virtual tour today. Hi, I'm Alex, your virtual host for this tour. I'm built right into the Crezlo platform to guide you as you explore. We're currently in the office. Feel free to look around and notice the open, seamless layout. See those glowing circles or buttons? Those are hotspots. Just click one to instantly move to another part of the room, like the meeting room or desk. And here's something cool. Look to your right. That TV isn't just for display, it's powered by our dynamic Embed feature, letting you play videos right inside the tour. Go ahead, click around and explore.